My parents wanted me to study business and they wanted me to study law. And then I decided to go into showbiz. So yung ang background ko, business, law, then pupunta ako sa music. Wala akong kakilala, walang kakilala absolutely.
Oh, so
And
it
then
was a
one,
one-shot deal. Parang ganyan, bahala na. Kung,
yeah,
you
bahala na.
know,
Let's go for shoot for the moon. Then one day I was in a recording studio. This guy approaches me and says to me, "Ikaw ba si Timmy Cruz?" And then I'm kind of scared kasi hindi ko siya kilala. Sabi ko, "Yeah, I am." And sabi niya, "I have a song for you." Sabi niya sa akin, pagkatapos mo, I was recording for Penthouse Live. You remember
yes, of
Penthouse
course,
Live?
Penthouse Live.
Yes, of course, right? I was recording. I was going to substitute as a host because Pops was sick. So they got me. That was my first exposure. And this man saw me in that Penthouse Live. And as soon as he saw me, he said he wanted to give me this song. So sabi niya sa akin, pagkatapos ng recording, puntahan mo ako sa office. So it was the Green Hills Recording Studio. So I went to his office, tapos cassette, he played it, and then, ta na 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 na.
Mm-mm.
Ganun pa lang, intro pa lang. And then I listened to the song. I didn't know anything about songs. I just knew I wanted to sing. And sabi ko sa kanya, "Can I have this tape?" And I let my manager listen to it. His name is Mon Del Rosario, the famous, the one, the only. I was
Mm-mm.
talking to him, yeah. So inuwi ko yung tape, then pinadinig ko dun sa manager ko, Sandra Chavez of Artist House. So intro pa lang, wala pang lyrics, wala pang words. "This is the song for you." Sabi ko sa kanila, kasi marami silang nakikinig. Sabi ko, how do you know? You haven't even listened to the entire song. But this is the song. Then they listened to the entire song. And then they said, "We're going to change the title." Because the title was in English. The title was "If You Only Knew."
Mm.
You only knew, kung alam mo lang. That's part of
Mm-mm.
the...
Mm-mm. It's part of the lyric.
Oo, sabi nila, "We're going to change it to Boy."
Mm.
Boy. And they said, because in all the households in the entire Philippines, there's always a
One
boy.
boy.
Boy. Di ba? People call, like,
Yes.
boy ganyan, si boy ganun,
Mm-mm.
ganun. So,
Mm-mm.
and then after that, I have never been in a recording studio before. A few, maybe 2 months after, recording na. Never seen a microphone before. Never been in a recording studio. Never seen anything like it before I enter. And I'm in the studio, in the booth with that mic and then headset and everything. And so many critiques, producer this, producer that, manager, so many people. And then, you sing one line and they go, "Stop, stop, stop," again, again, again. "Stop, stop,
Mm-hmm.
stop," again, again, again. And then inside my mind, I was telling myself, ano ba itong napasukan mo? Parang ang hirap. Hirap itong nagawa mo. Andito ka na, pero ang hirap. Kaya mo ba ito? Sabi ko sa sarili ko, kaya mo to. Ito yung gusto mo. Kaya mo, gano'n.